Here's my 2019 F-150 Powerstroke 3-liter turbo diesel. It currently has roughly 42,000 miles on it, and I just installed the S&B cold air intake. There's not many videos on YouTube that I could find with anyone doing kind of like a sound comparison, a drivability comparison video, so I figured just here's a perfect opportunity to let all the other people know that have this truck with this engine. There it is. Always with the diesel, you're going to want to do a dry filter. You'll never want to do an oil filter because that will work its way into the engine. Very simple. It took me probably about 40 minutes to install the whole thing, and I can just tell right away the drivability is 110% better. At idle, you can hear the air getting sucked in way better. The engine breathes 100% better. And I've gained probably about, I want to say somewhere in the 2 to 3 miles per gallon range. And keep in mind, I am on smaller rims, bigger tires. So this truck came with 20s. These rims are 17s, and I have a 305 tire on it. These are just the Nitio Grappler G2 tires. I leveled it with, what was it? Tokiko, I believe, struts. And I think it just gives the truck a little bit better stance like that. Smaller rim, bigger tire. But overall, the intake is 110% better. I will throw in some snippets right here of the sounds, and the turbo sings way better. I mean, you can hear it wide open. It's not governed. It doesn't sound like it's being suffocated or anything like that. So here's the clips.